Welcome to the Google Docs training video on the table menu. This video will look specifically at the table menu and at different options within that menu. So I have my document that I've been working on for the last couple of videos. I'm going to click on table, and you notice that everything is grayed out except for insert table because I don't have a table in my document yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click down here so I can click my insert a table, and let's say I want a 3x2. So I've inserted my table. Now that I come back to table, I have a lot of different options here. Okay, so I can insert a row above and insert a row. I can also insert a row below, column left and right. I can also delete a row from here, delete a column, or delete the table altogether. I can also go to table properties. So within here is if you want to make a invisible table, you can change this border to 0. So now others won't see that there's actually a table that exists there. I'd like to do that when I'm actually showing a document, so I can place images or different text in different views. However, if I'm going to share the document with other people, I like to go ahead and put the border at 1 or whatever, just so they can see that there's actually a table there, because otherwise it can get kind of frustrating not knowing how that works. You can change the width and dimensions within here, different heights. You can put a background on it if you want to. You can change the alignment, so center, everything center. Click OK, and it's specifically talking about that one that I happen to be in. If I want to highlight all of them, and then I can change for the whole table as well. I can merge cells, so tables have really come a long way. So if I highlight those two there, and I can click on merge those cells, so now that I actually have two cells that are merged, but everything else underneath it is like that. You can't physically draw a table like you can within Word. The clunky way around it right now is that you'll have to insert columns left and right, or rows, top, up, and down. And then merge and unmerge, that kind of thing. But so they haven't added the drawing feature yet, but you can do quite a lot, and it's actually come a long way from where it was a few years ago. Tables used to be very clunky and not very useful. The merging feature just came on board not too long ago. It's very helpful as well. I'm going to unmerge those, and so there's everything you need to know about tables within Google Docs.